Why buy a TWS for 10K when you can get one for 4K and with almost every feature available on more expensive earbuds? The Realme Buds Air 3 costs just Rs 3,999 and is one of the most value for money TWS earbuds you can buy in 2022. I'm Dhriti, and in this video we're going to give you 5 reasons why you should purchase the Realme Buds Air 3. Let's go. Number 1. Active Noise Cancellation. Promising up to 42 dB of noise suppression, the Realme Buds Air 3 offer a significant boost from the 25 dB promised by its predecessor, the Buds Air 2. In real-world usage, it was pretty obvious that the noise cancelling abilities on the 3 are far superior to the 2. Not only does it cancel out low-end constant sounds such as a plane's hum or an AC's hum, but it also does a decent job at suppressing human voices as well. Number 2. Low latency mode. Realme's low latency gaming mode can drop as low as 88 milliseconds. This is useful when you're playing games or consuming content via the earbuds. The difference between low latency mode and normal mode isn't massive, but it is tangible. You can enable this mode via the Realme Link app, which also allows for tons of customization such as earbud controls, sound profiles, and much more. Number 3. V-shaped sound signature. The Realme Buds Air 3 is equipped with 10mm drivers and a liquid crystal polymer diaphragm. While the sound isn't as balanced as the Buds Air 2, you still get a fairly pleasant V-shaped sound signature with boosted bass and highs. Plus, you can always choose between the custom presets within the app according to your preference. Number 4. Ear tip fit test. Within the Realme Link app, you have a nifty little feature called Ear Tip Fit Test. You can test out different sizes of ear tips using this feature to find your perfect fit. The app plays a sound when the buds are inserted in your ear and judges how snug the fit is based on the pressure measured. Lastly, we have multi-point connectivity, a feature that even premium earphones skimp out on in some cases. This feature allows you to pair the earphones to 2 devices simultaneously and switch seamlessly between them, which is pretty convenient for multi-device users. Of course, these buds are not perfect and there are some issues such as slightly tinny or screechy highs and lack of volume controls, and a few other nitpicks here and there. But overall, these are feature-packed buds that give even mid-range ones a run for their money. With that said, we've reached the end of this video. Like and share this video and stay tuned for more.